Hello! I thought that was you. Come on in. My name is Tina Tate, and I am the host of Retire Purposefully. Believe me, I know it's difficult to retire. It can put you at loose ends at times, can't it? It took me 3 times to retire from a job that I really loved. Several jobs that I really loved. But I have some friends here that we're going to be hearing from through the months here that have already gone through retirement. They have retired, redecorated, repurposed, and now they're rejoicing in their retirement. So come on in. Let's hear what they have to say.